Peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the unboxing of the Bose QuietComfort 35 Series 2's wireless headphones with noise cancellation and Alexa voice or Google control. Now, these headphones are sort of like when you were in high school and you got a choice between the hottest girl in the class, maybe like the bookworm as a second option, and then as a last resort, maybe, the quiet girl who was like not as popular. These are definitely the hot girl of the class. Like if you were to get this for the money. Now, I'm not saying that you can buy love or anything like that, but this is actually the top headphones in its department as far as quality, performance, and pretty much build quality and everything like that, comfort. So let's just go over some of the features here. Now, these things actually do have some of the most powerful noise cancellations that you'll see, which pretty much clear you from distractions around you, and you won't be able to pretty much hear any noise leaking when you have these on. Everything is going to be really nice and locked in with that sound quality. You can see you are getting a charger included, as well as a wire. So these do have a microphone system enabled with Alexa enabled. You also can connect them with the Bose Connect app. You have music sharing. You have 3 different levels of noise cancellation, and you have up to 20 hours of battery life. You also do get the case, which comes included. Now, these are reviewed by some of the top YouTubers on YouTube, and actually if you go over to Amazon and you just read some of the reviews on these headphones, you're basically gonna see that these are the top notch. This is the hot girl in the classroom for prom. Now you see, my reaction initially, never had these on ever, and this is my first reaction. So what I had to do was just pretty much that sound came through the headphone jack like a bat out of hell. Those things were really solid. So so right here you can actually have some customization options with the Bose app and a whole slew of settings to customize some of the sounds, but we're not going to get into too much detail. You also get this option to actually locate them, find your headphones or whatever, because they are connected. Now let's just go ahead, and you can see right here the build quality is extremely sleek and very nice. That color is actually pretty cool too. You could also get these in the black color. Now this is how they would actually look when you place them on deck. Now let's just lock in some music real quick so I can show you guys how that's gonna play out. But ultimately I was kind of blown away by the sound quality. Now, the only thing that is going to separate a $300 pair of headphones from a $30 pair of headphones, such as the WB5s that I did review on my channel for $30, and these are $350. The only thing that would really separate them is, the quality and how they're built, the comfort. Also, the microphone is going to definitely be a lot stronger, but and the WB5s actually really impressed me and were punching above their weight class. But these Bose right here are actually heavy hitters and are knocking out everything that comes in the way of the headphone department. So if you ever thought about getting the best headphones and you had about $350 to spend on some headphones, which I actually, to be honest, don't have that much money to just shuffle out for a pair of headphones. I'd rather, in my opinion, cop a $30 pair of headphones. But if you have that type of money to dish out, you can definitely get the triple midnight color, the silver color, or the black color, and these headphones are solid. So I could definitely recommend them to the professional that is definitely pretty successful in their professional lifestyle, and they're looking for the best quality headphones that the industry has to offer. this is going to be your pick right here, the Bose QuietComfort 35 Series 2 headphones, which you can't go wrong if you're looking for top notch level headphones. Now, I hope you guys did find this helpful. If you did, go ahead, punch that like button. Make sure you destroy it right now and hit the bell as well. Stay tuned for more videos just like this. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace. See you on the next one.